Your story matters. Our stories make the world go round. God created each and every one of us individually, but to work together collectively. But how does that happen when we all have such differing views?
We're not shaming anybody, God. We're just humbling ourselves before you.
Yes, Lord.
You brought the thunder and rain today, God, because Satan takes the L today. Father, in Jesus' name, you get the victory. Father, we ask for forgiveness from our black brothers and sisters for years and years of racism, of systematic racism.
His name is Jesus. J is for the justice that he has for all human life. E is for the empathy that he has for our plight. S is for his saving grace that he has for all mankind. U is for the ultimate decision he had to make that was divine. S is for that decision to intervene on earth for the redemption of our souls. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Say it loud, say it proud. Jesus.
You are the God of reconciliation. Not only do we receive their repentance, but God, we repent as the black community for holding unforgiveness, for acting out of anger, for, Father God, failing our own community at times.